Hello guys, good afternoon. This Lexus LS460 2006 model. Customer complain this aircon not working, AC not working because of this. The display is totally black out. This multi display. This is a control from the aircon, all and navigation. So this is totally black out. So I give you a simple tips, some information on how to remove this navigation multi-display. So first, to remove here this cover left and right. To remove this CD changer for car stereo. This is installed from here, from this side, this area. So this bolt, there is bolt left and right. So must be this area, left and right. This hole on this side, this area. There's bolt inside, number 10, which is fixing, which is here tightening from this for the tuner, left and right. So first, remove this cover, upside and left side cover, and slowly remove. Then you can remove this area from this side, left and right. There's number 10 bolt, so you can remove this tuner assembly for tuner and CD changer of car is this car Lexus. So the next step is to remove this multi-display. Must be remove this screw from here. This is mounted from here, from this side. Then after that, you can slowly remove, come out. There is only the clips here is here, 4 clips here and here, and there's clips from up. Be careful because this be sometimes very difficult to remove, so be careful to using, must be using like this plastic to remove this to slowly remove left and right. That's all, my friend. Thank you very much for watching my video.